everybody, Matt here from Zpacks, and these are the Minimalist trekking poles. Navigate the most rugged of terrain without sacrificing performance or function with our Minimalist trekking poles. These stripped down foam handle trekking poles are made from ultra light, ultra strong carbon fiber and feature a sturdy twist lock mechanism. The comfortable foam grip absorbs sweat, allowing your hands to stay dry while hiking. The Minimalist trekking poles feature a lightweight and comfortable wrist strap, which add comfort and support while hiking. Our Minimalist trekking poles were specifically designed to extend to a length of 52 inches, which makes them perfect for our entire Plex line of tents, with the exception of the Ultiplex. The poles collapse down to 24¼ inches. A rubber road tip is also included with each pole. Well, that covers all the features and benefits of the Minimalist trekking poles. For more information, click the link in the corner or in the description below. If you have any additional questions, please leave a comment or reach out to us at zpacks.com. Don't forget to hit subscribe to stay up to date on the latest product information, gear reviews, and upcoming adventures. Until then, see you outside.
MSR's Dynalock trail poles were designed for casual snowshoers, hiking along established trails and through rolling terrain. Made of high-strength aluminum, they're our most durable poles, offering many seasons of performance. Their two-section designs are perfect for short adventures just past the trailhead or longer days exploring the valley basin. At their foundation is our Dynalock technology, delivering a full range of adjustability with easy, rock-solid locking. Its unique design allows you to adjust its clamping force on the fly to ensure it's always tight and secure for total confidence. Adjustable, low-profile straps offer all-day comfort, and carbide steel tips resist wear from rock and ice. Built with the same precision quality that's made MSR snowshoes the technical leaders, Dynalock trail poles will back you up every step of the way.
What's special for me about combining hiking with flying is it opens up freedom. You get to places which you would never be able to go to. Being able to taking off from anywhere and landing in a really tiny spot, which you cannot do with any other aircraft, is very special for me. Sometimes you get a little bit distracted by the daily routine you go through. Be yourself, feel the freedom.
Hi, I'm Ian from Gossamer Gear, and we're here today to dive deeper on our LT5 trekking poles. The LT5 trekking poles are some of the lightest on the market and are a fan favorite for thru hikers and day hikers alike. The LT5s are 3-piece, telescoping, twist lock trekking poles. They can be adjusted from 105 cm to 130 cm using the middle section as a guide, when the bottom section is set so that the stop label is just out of visibility. The poles can also be set below 105 centimeters when desired in order to be used as tent poles, tarp poles, or for those really steep uphills. Updated wrist straps on our EVA foam handles ensure reliably comfortable grip and easy adjustability. Our poles come with rubber boots, which are meant for use when you're not on trail. We would recommend removing these before bringing the poles on trail. They also come with baskets, which you should always have installed if you're hiking on rocky terrain, in order to keep the pole from getting lodged in any crevices. The carbide tips are easily replaceable, and each individual section can be replaced if needed. Our LT5s are 3-piece poles that can simply be pulled apart after the locking mechanism is loosened. The locking mechanism works by expanding against the interior of the pole section as it is screwed down. If you're having difficulty tightening a pole section, try taking the sections apart and screwing the locking mechanism down a bit more before reassembling the pole. Another important tip for our LT5s is to wipe them down after any significant trips, especially if there's rain involved. Consistently cleaning the interior of each pole section and keeping the locking mechanisms free of dirt and debris is the best way to make sure your gear is ready to go. And these are the LT5s.
I am an ultramarathoner, an adventurer, a musician, a diversity practitioner, a mom, and a writer. Every single day, I'm learning something. I am on some kind of an adventure. There's still so much joy to be found if you look for it. Looking for that joy, looking for that adventure, looking for the good things is really what is exciting me right now. Thank you, universe. Going out doing this really crazy stuff opens up your eyes to all of the different things that you could be doing that you're not doing now. And hopefully one of those things will catch.
Hi, I'm Tom Santoro, and I'm a design engineer at Black Diamond Equipment. I'm going to show you the features on the Distance Carbon FLZ, but we have a wide range of poles designed for a variety of terrain and price points, no matter where your adventures take you. To easily understand our pole names, FL stands for Flick Lock, Z stands for Z-Pole, and AR for Accessory Ready. We offer both aluminum shafts for the most durability and carbon shafts for the lightest weight. When you get your trekking poles, they will be collapsed in a Z configuration. Instructions are located on the poles. To extend your Z-poles, pull down on the slider shaft until you hear the pin click. On models with Flick Lock, adjust to your desired length. A good starting point is to have a 90-degree angle in your elbow. All of our Flick Locks come preset, however, it is easy to adjust the tightness to your desired level by using a standard screwdriver. Make sure the Flick Lock is in the open position when adjusting. To adjust your Z-pole straps, use the Velcro adjusters. Each pole is labeled with an R or an L. Our recommended strap use is entering up from the bottom and then grip down onto the pole. This will allow the strap to lay flat under your palm for the most comfortable grip. All Z-poles feature a lightweight EVA foam grip. On our Distance Carbon AR model, there's a soft touch rubber grip top that is also accessory ready. For this model, the trekking poles can also serve as tent poles for our distance tent. All of our Z-poles come with one-piece lightweight baskets with a rubber tech tip installed. The tip is also compatible with our Z-pole snow basket, which is sold separately. To install the snow basket, align the circle to the keyway and push on until you hear a loud snap. To remove, apply force to pop off the snow basket. To change the carbide tech tip, use a pair of pliers to twist it off. To install it, spin it on clockwise, being sure to engage the wave lock 3 or 4 clicks. To collapse your Z-poles, push the pin into the shaft and separate the lower shafts. On poles that have our slide lock, pull up on the sleeve and then collapse the lower shafts. Clip the basket to the slider shaft when your Z-poles are collapsed for the best packability. Over time, if you notice your poles loosen, access the pole tensioner, twist clockwise to tighten, and remove slack from the system. Be sure to check out blackdiamondequipment.com for the latest information on our trekking poles, their feature sets, and our recommended uses.
This pair of scree trekking poles will help you find the balance that you've been seeking, even on the loosest footings. Built with premium 70-75 series aluminum, these poles adjust between 35 and 54 inches with a few flicks of reliable Kelty Trail Lock technology. Getting the right clamping force is easy. Make sure you've achieved proper clamping force by simply adjusting this tension nut. The scree poles are topped with cork and extended EVA foam grips for a comfortable hold and room to make easy adjustments to your grip as the terrain changes. The padded wrist straps adjust for a custom tailored fit. Rugged poles for rugged terrain give you full traction mode all year round. That's the scree trekking poles from Kelty.
These are the carbon nanolite poles. They're our lightest weight poles, great for trekking, fast packing and long distance trail running. They come in 3 separate lengths, 110, 120 and 130 centimetres. The 120 centimetre weighs just 125 grams and folds down to 35 centimetres to fit in or on your pack. This keeps your pack weight low, which means steep ascents and descents are easier, as well as those dodgy river crossings. We use high quality 3K carbon in our pole, which reduces the weight while not compromising on its strength. Our design team have also reinforced the internal cord with Kevlar, making it super strong. They've also added a little bit of extra cord to extend the lifespan of your pole. The carbon nanolite comes with an EVA foam handle and an adjustable strap. It is super easy to assemble. You can do it in around 3 seconds, and there's no complicated knacks you need to learn. You simply hold it from the top and let the rest of the pole fall down. Pull the cord until the whole pole comes together and slot it into place on the handle. So there they are, the carbon nanolite poles. Fantastic for moving fast and light when you're in the mountains.
We have always led the way of future grip technology. With the Airgun Air, we bring it to the next level. The Airgun Air is your ultimate downhill control, providing you with comfort and support thanks to its ergonomic shape. When exploring nature, it's your partner and will guide your way. Your hands are incredibly complex, allowing you to perform tasks ranging from grasping and lifting heavy weights to threading a needle. When climbing mountains and crossing streams, your body is constantly in motion. The Airgun Air gives you all the support you need to reach the summit. The hollow core allows the combination of a lightweight construction with wide supportive areas matching the ergonomic needs of your hand. The back is fully rubberized to provide you with maximum grip when going downhill. The positive angle keeps your wrist joint in a comfortable position when holding the grip. Support your natural movement. Airgun Air. Guide your way.